You know. Hey, what's up, man? What? No. I'm alright. And you? How are you? I'm good. Yeah. So, you come from work? Yeah, that's good. Oh. I don't even like watching BT. Most of them blacks. Like they don't work. They don't got a job. Sitting up and watching rap videos and music all day. Get a life. That's why I hate black people. Don't, don't want to do nothing with their time or their life. That's why I don't associate with them. That's why I don't hang out with them. I am not white. I'm black, but I don't act like I'm black. I don't act nigger. They are nigger. I am black. It's a difference. I do love mostly every race besides blacks. See, I'm giving this analogy real quick. All right, we in a pie. In the pie, we had fishes, you have frogs, you have turtles, then you have guppies, the slime, the little maggot. What do they do? They trying to snatch your food, eat off of other people, watch other people do what they got to do, but they just swim around waiting for somebody to hand them something. No, watch how I hang around that. No, it's not gonna be me. My mom raised me better. I'm totally better than them. I feel awesome how I am and my success in my life. I'm happy. This color doesn't define who I am. My actions, yeah, my actions define who I am, and my character shows everybody who I am. I don't. Why? I'm not racist because I am black. I'm not racist, but I don't. I'm not going to associate with them. I could I could do something better with myself. I could go golfing. I love golf. Tennis. I do tennis. Eh, sit down, play video games, smoke, drink, smoke marijuana, crack. What do the black race don't do? Them niggas. I wish I could change my own skin sometimes. It doesn't. I just sit back and think sometimes. Why couldn't be? Why God couldn't make my skin how I am? Don't get me wrong. I love my skin color. It makes me work harder. Yeah, but I don't ask for handouts. When did you ever see me ask for a handout? Never. Not once. Not once. Name one. You can't. So that being said, I don't get there. I don't go low. I don't steal. They steal. Joyriding. Steal people cars. I don't want to go down there in a hood. What they call it. So cool. Supposed to be. I don't want to live on welfare. Asking the government cheese. No. I want to have my own restaurant, my organic food. I love caviar. I know you do. I know you do. Yeah, but not to get off subject. Listen here. I'm about to tell you. I'm about to tell you. Everything is not for everybody. Let me put it like that. They go their way, and I go mine. So, if you want to call me a racist of my own kind, that's what I am. I'm a racist. Because them niggas, I wish I could have been white back in the day. I would have tore some niggas up. I would have whipped them. Whipped them. And that's another thing. They always want to blame the white man. Oh, the white man keep me down. Oh, the white man won't give me a job. Do y'all go out there and find one? Do y'all look? Do y'all put your blood, sweat, and tears? No. No, they don't. They do none of that. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Pitiful. It just makes me wonder. So, the color of your skin ever make you wonder? Even though I'm acting, it gets rough being black. But I don't let the color of my skin justify who I am. I let my actions, my mind, my courage, my wisdom, and the light that I shine on other people define who I am. So, that being said, deuces.